Okay, class, let's wrap up the last week. And in the meantime, let's warm up for the English class. Time clauses and conjunctions. We talked about time clauses and conjunctions last week. We said when and while can sometimes mean the same thing. Although they mean the same thing, the tonation is different. We said when it is only used, when it can be used with past continuous and simple past, while is used with only past continuous. And we said when is used in a sentence where the action starts and does not continue for some time. But while, in the other hand, is used in sentences and in which the action is progressive, it lasts for some time. For example, we said, while the teacher is teaching, our friend walked in. Or, when I walked into the class, the teacher was teaching. When is used for indicating the action of getting in, while is used to indicate the action of the teacher teaching to the class. Teaching is a progressive act. It continues. So now I'm going to talk about a different trait of these words, of these conjunctions, a different difference between when and while. Now you might be asking why our teacher has a guitar in his hand, wrapping it up, because I'm getting ready to show you how when and while is used. Let's say I'm playing the guitar, right? So when I play the guitar, I feel happy. But that means there are the action starts the other. So the fact that me playing the guitar starts the action of me feeling happy. So if we were to use while, let's say I'm talking and I'm playing the guitar again, but I'm playing the guitar while I am talking, guys. So two actions happen in the same time. So we use. Yes.
Can I make any song request?
Song requests? Yeah. Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Later I will do.
Okay. After the class.
Yes.
Okay. So when is used to indicate an action that started after a certain action. So one action starts, another, another. I probably wrote it wrong. While is used to indicate actions that happen in the same time. In the same time. Now let's say when you go home, right, you feel sleepy. What do you do when you feel tired?
Sleep.
Yes. So if you were to make that into a sentence, what would you say? I sleep when I feel tired. So that means the action of you feeling tired causes you to sleep. One action starts another. So we use when. But let's say you're studying at home. Let's ask you a question like, what do you do while you're studying? For me, I usually listen to music. I believe many of you do as well, right? So let's help me out. How would you make that into a sentence? Let me write it down so that it'll be easier for you. This is the question. What do you do while you are studying? We said I listen to music, for example. I listen to music. Now, let's wrap this up and use it, like make it into a sentence. How would you do it as well? Let's say you start with...
Should I say another sentence?
You can use the same sentence. If this is a question and an answer, you can make it into a sentence.
I listen to music when I'm sad.
When you're sad.
Yes.
That's correct. But I want you to use while, not when.
I listen to
so you need to keep it in mind that what did we say? We say while is used when the actions that happen in the same time.
Yes. I listen to music while I'm studying.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
I listen to music. I listen to music while I am studying. Also, let's refer to the other class, the last week's class. Studying is a progressive act. You study. You don't just sit, study, and go. That doesn't happen. You study for a long time. So you listen to music while you're studying. Okay, now let's look at more examples. Umut, could you help me move this away, please? Move the guitar away. Now, I'm going to need one of you to come here with a sheet of paper, or let's come up with your phone. Come up with your phone. Pretend that you're reading something. Okay? Pretend that you're reading something. Let's say, I will pretend that I'm eating this. Okay. So you're going to pretend that you're calling me. Let's say I'm eating this, right? I'm eating, and you call me, okay?
Okay.
Call me, on your phone.
Okay.
I'm eating this, and you're calling me. Now what happens, I get a call when I eat. So I was eating when my friend called me. He called me when I was eating. But let's say, now the actions starts one after another. He called me when I was eating. But if I was to eat and you were to read, right?
Yes.
There are two actions happening. I'm eating and he's calling. So we say that he's reading, sorry. He was reading while I was eating. These are the two examples. Okay, let's pair you up. You can sit. Now guys, I want you to make a sentence. Actually, you ask him a question with when, and then he answers, and both of you will make it into a sentence, okay? Using when.
Okay.
And you guys, you're going to ask him a question using while, and you're going to answer. And both of you will going to make it into a sentence this way, and then the other time we'll switch. Got it? I'll give you like 30 seconds to think. Get ready with your questions and
So, Umut,
answers.
how old were you when you were a child?
When I was a child, I was at 9.
9 years old.
Okay. So you make it into a sentence. You didn't make it into a sentence. You answered it with the long answer. Okay. Let's hear it from you then.
What do you do while you are showering?
I sing while I'm showering.
Yes, great example. More examples like this, please, guys. Come on, now switch it up. You prepare a sentence, a question. You prepared a question for him this time with using while, just like he did, and then you, not like he did. Prepare a question with when, okay?
Okay.
and make it into a sentence.
Okay.
You didn't ask the wrong question, just irrelevant to a subject.
Okay. Shall I ask again or?
No, he's going to ask. Okay. We switch the teams. You're going to use while. When? You're going to use while.
What do you do while you are going to school?
I sleep while it was another.
Try again. It's okay.
It was another answer. Sorry.
Try again.
While
it's
I'm
okay.
going to school,
Yeah.
I'm walking while I'm going to school.
Yes. Well, you're walking to get to school. Yes. You might be listening to music. You might be listening to a podcast while you're going to school. Let's hear from you.
What do you do when you have a headache?
I sleep and I have a headache.
You sleep when you have a headache, right?
I took a painkiller when I had a
Yes.
headache.
Both of those questions, those answers are true, correct. So, as you can see, the action, the fact that he has a headache, causes him to take painkillers or go to sleep, which implies the usage of when is correct. One action, his headache, starts another taking painkillers. Yes, thank you. And for you, it is also correct. While you're going to school, you're listening to a podcast, listening to music, while you're walking. Let's wrap it up, guys. Today, we have went over what we did last week, and I talked about another difference between when and while and how you can use it and apply it into your daily life when you're making up sentences using when and while. We talked about the grammatical structure of it. I've given you some examples. Could you bring me my guitar, please? I've given you some examples. I believe you understood it.
Sure.
Yes.
Will you sing for us?
I will be singing for you after class. Now, okay. Now I'm saying goodbye while I'm playing the guitar for you guys. Goodbye. Okay, we went over the last week, wrapped it up. I believe you understood it as well, right? I explained to you the when and while and the usage of them and the differences. I believe we had a good run. So thank you for listening. Thank you for attending this class. Goodbye.